Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again. This is the look I'm gonna create today. It's very simple and easy. So let's start with the basic. After the moisturizing my face, I'm taking an eyebrow pencil, you can take any one, and fill up your eyebrows. After filling up with your eyebrows, the gap, I always fill the gap first and then I shape if I really need to enhance. I guess most of the people's eyebrows are not equal. This is our eyeshadow palette from COLOURPOP. I'm taking a shade named Period with this brush PF13. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid on both the side. So as you see, I just take a little bit and apply like while adding it. I'm not going straight with a lot of color in it. I just always take a little bit at a time and then I add, because if you take too much at the time, then you have to wipe your whole face and then apply it. It's better add a little bit at a time. Now I'm taking a pink color from the NYX palette, Ultra. I'm going to apply on half, the front half of both sides. After adding it, so now I'm taking a lighter brown color and adding in the corner of the eyelid, both the sides, so it create a enhance the natural line, and you can see the difference while applying that lighter brown color. Now I'm taking a KAJAL pencil. You can take a liquid liner if you like. I'm drawing a normal, you can say not a proper wink, a normal wink. I have a habit of stretching my eyelid for a proper straight eyeliner if I'm using a kajal. After this, I'm taking this Nykaa. This is my first time I'm using this Nykaa eyelashes. These are the false lashes. It came with what we say glue, but I didn't like that glue. It was not coming out, and then I just used the regular one which I use. In some time it will fade the white color what you're seeing in there. First I didn't realize it was not dry properly. Like you have to wait. I waited for 45 seconds but it didn't dry properly. Then yeah, now I'm using this Maybelline concealer. I usually like this concealer first and then I add the foundation. I'm blending it with my finger. You can see it make a huge difference after applying a concealer on face. For the foundation, I'm taking Makeup Forever Ultra HD. It's one of the best foundation I ever tried. It's long lasting, stay on my skin. It's a good coverage. It's not that much. It's a medium coverage foundation. And I first apply with the flat brush to spread everywhere. Then I add a little. After applying it, I make sure it goes everywhere on my face and over my neck area. So now I'm using this NYKA beauty blender. This is the first time I'm using it. I don't know if it's good with the damp beauty blender or just like this one. It's nice. I don't have much of the comments to say because I should try one more time and then I can talk about it. Yeah, it does a good job. I'll try to push the foundation inside my skin so that it look more natural instead of looking too much of that. Now I'm using a Maybelline concealer. This is the second Maybelline concealer. This is a Fit Me one. The color shade I'm using is 30. I'm using the same beauty blender to blend this. Before I never used to use a lot of concealer and all that, but now I feel like concealer is the most important part. I shouldn't run from it, I should go for it. After concealer, to set the concealer, I'm using this Miss Clara. I guess so the shade number is TL40. This is one of a good translucent powder. I'm gonna take this with the beauty blender and just place it over my under eye. And I'm gonna keep it till the time I do my contour. So I don't put too much of the translucent powder at some point, translucent powder. So yeah, it's nice. Now I'm using a LA Girl Pro Concealer. The color everyone should know, it's Toast. So I'm using a different beauty blender for this one. I don't know from where I got this one. So I'm gonna push it and like dab it as much I feel like it's good on my skin. I've seen most of the people didn't like the contour thing, but I feel like everyone should try first, then they should talk about it. So I'm taking the same brown tone color under my eyes, applying under it like so. So I'm taking this kind of brush, which is like a fluffy, but now you're seeing it, I'm dabbing the powder inside the concealer and the under eye together. So now I'm taking a Face Canada Glam On blush. This is one of my favorite blush. So after this I'm using a ColourPop Blow Me Out Super Shock Chick. This is one of my favorite what we say highlighter. I'm using a fan brush for this. This is from Vega, I guess, so the fan brush what I'm using now. So now I'm using this, I guess, so this is from LAKME. The lip liner. It has no shade name, pink blush it says, and I'm using a MAC. Shade is 813 Mocha. I love MAC lipstick. So after this, actually, I put the Fix Me Plus, and this is my final look. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe.